Hello guys, this is a tutorial video on how to make a very simple and good looking GitHub profile. For that, first you need to have a repository. For that, go here and click on new repository. Type your exact GitHub profile name. See over here you get a special message over here. You have found a secret. This is blah 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 special repository that you can use to add readme.md to your GitHub profile. As I have already done it, can't do it again. So just click on add a readme file and click on create repository. So I'll go back to my profile. So I'll start from the beginning. This is how it looks and this is the raw code for that. This is similar to the HTML code where you type for a website. Over here h1 align, blah blah blah. And over here I have used a link for the shields.io where you can create this kind of a design where this is the main header and this is the description. So it's over here. If you go to the go over here, you'll get the label, action, message, whatever you want, help, color, bright green. And once you click on that, you'll get this example file. So you select this, copy this link and you paste it over here. We can do it for different things. So like over here, I have a passion as my heading and coding as my description. So here passion hyphen and the description over here, and this is the color blue. If you change blue to white or red, it will change automatically, but make sure that all of them are in small letter. So I have encapsulated them in this align center, so it will align at the center. This is the default design you'll get in your GitHub profile. And over here languages and tools. Over here I have used 3 types of links. One is for the languages, one is for the tools. If you want the languages, you can see over here it's all in GitHub. All the links for the languages are available in GitHub itself. So if you go to the search bar and type JavaScript, you get JavaScript over here, and you can open the image in a new tab. So over here, if you just copy the file and you can just paste it over here. You can change it however you want. If you want HTML, you'll get the HTML tag. Likewise, you get for CSS and other languages. Even if you type C, you'll get it for C. Just copy the link and you'll get it. See, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, and MySQL. And over here, these are the Photoshop, After Effects, Premiere Pro, InDesign, and Illustrator icons. For that, it's not available in the GitHub repository, so you have to where is it? Yeah, you have to go to this simpleicons.org. All the links will be in the description. So over here there are hundreds of icons where you can choose from. If you want whatever. Adobe Photoshop. You can get the link over here and just click on this and you'll get this image, and just copy this link and just paste it over here. And yeah, specify the width and height, or else the icon may be too huge for the profile. So this is for Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. And oh yeah, this is for the simple icons. This is available through the some GitHub repository. Actually, if you go to add there, okay, I don't have that link right now, but you could directly go to his profile and just copy the link. And for the final part over here, I have LinkedIn, YouTube, and Behance. Similar to that, it's same. Yeah, you can get it through that link specified over here. And this one, especially the YouTube icon was available if you go to this person's account. I have the link in description, so if you go to this account, you can get all the shieldsio.io links where all the icons have been described and shown. See, you can see YouTube over here. You can find other languages. You can find workspace, PlayStation, Bitcoin, other even food. Wow. So if you have difficulty to do it, you can just copy my entire code and finish with it. So go briefly on to this one. Over here in the shields.io, you can actually get different types of designs over here. See, over here you can just my bad, over here you can type the label and the message you want. Let's take this as an example. You can change anything you want, just type hello. It will change automatically. So and you can, yeah, you can use Twitter and that. See, you can use your Twitter badge over here. When GitHub, Reddit, YouTube likes, comments and stuff, you have to link your profile with this. If you click over here, just link the whatever your account name out here. You can change it to different type of styles. You can change the color, the name, and other things. You can just experiment with this yourself. And yeah, there's another one over here, just similar, nothing much more. If you want much more in-depth concepts about the designing, you can just go to these profiles which I have linked in the description. Here there are multiple accounts where you can go to their accounts and just see. You can see how they work. You can just copy their profile if you want, or else if you are too lazy to do any of that, You can just go to this guy's account, GitHub profile, and click on view demo, and you just have to fill all these things over here. You can just choose whichever you want. At the bottom you have to click on generate readme, and you'll get a file for that, and you just copy the file to your readme.md, and yeah, that's all. At the end of the day you will at the end of the day you will get this basic profile, but there is a uh, cons to it. If you click on the dark mode, you can't see some of the icons properly, so it's not completely perfect, but you can edit it however you want. So thank you guys, please